What's going on, guys, and welcome back to DriveHub. And in today's video, I'm going to show you this very cool OBD2 scanner / engine diagnostics tool from Audew. Now, I've been toying around with this thing for a little while now, and it can actually do some pretty cool stuff. For the price that this thing costs, which is under $15, it's like 11 or 12 bucks if you use my promo code DriveHub down in the description below. This thing is awesome to have on hand if, say, you're going on a road trip and you get a pesky check engine light. You'll be able to check it and see what it is and clear it with this. Or if you're going to purchase a car, you can plug this in and you can look a little bit deeper into the car than what's on the surface. It's handy to just have on your glove box. Me, I have a few cars, and one of them's always throwing a check engine light. So this thing is very handy to have to check and see what the code is and to be able to clear it. Now, all it is this little tiny thing here. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and it works on both iOS and Android. And right now, I'm going to plug this into the Corvette and show you guys how you can use this thing. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use this. Just open up your phone. You're going to have to download an app called In-Car Dock. It's on the App Store for Apple, for iOS devices. Not sure what the deal is with Droid. It should be on there. Make sure you have that downloaded, then we can head to the car. Go ahead and get to the car that you're going to be using this on. I'm going to be doing it on the C5 Corvette. Okay, so for 99.9% of vehicles, in America at least, the OBD2 port is going to be under the dash on the driver's side. So we just go ahead and grab our scanner, plug it in, you'll see it light up. Find the keys deep within our pockets. Then you're going to go ahead and turn the ignition on. You're not turning the car on, you're just putting on the ignition. First, we're going to go to our Wi-Fi settings, and you'll see it pop up, Wi-Fi OBD2. Tap it to connect. Then we go to the In-Car Dock app. That's what the icon looks like, so you can see it right there. I don't know what the rest of those apps are. My friend did that. Go ahead and open up the app. This is what the home screen looks like. Go up to the top and hit connect. It'll say a bunch of gibberish that my camera won't focus on. You can either select what kind of car you have. I didn't go through that, so I just hit cancel. And right away you'll see we have some measurements. It's reading our voltage level, our engine coolant temperature, and to get the rest of the readings, we go ahead, turn on the car. Then you can basically just play around with the app. You have all these menus over here. In the dynamic parameters section, you can view really any possible thing you'd want to know about your vehicle. Throttle position, for example, it says we're at 5%. The car is just idling. But when I give it gas, pretty neat stuff. You also have cool stuff like this 0 to 60 timer. But really, anything you could possibly want to know. Engine load, coolant temperature, RPM, speed, timing, intake air temperature, mass airflow rate, throttle position, air status, all sorts of this gibberish that I have no idea what it means. Fuel economy averages, all sorts of information for, especially if you're a car enthusiast, it's kind of cool to know. Of course, you can upgrade to the paid version of this app. The version that I have right now that I'm showing you guys is free, but for whatever it costs, 3 or 4 bucks, you can upgrade the app and view more stuff. But as far as I'm concerned, this shows me everything that I could possibly want to know. And probably the most important thing that this Audew scanner can do, you can view your engine codes. Obviously there's none right now, but if there were, you can clear it. That's your check engine light. You can clear it on the app, which is very, very handy if you have to get your car inspected or something and you have the check engine light on. I don't know if I'd recommend doing that. You can view past records. Obviously there's not going to be anything available right now because we just plugged it in. I would recommend trying a few different apps or maybe upgrading to the pro version of an app so that you can get more information about your car. But even with a free app and the scanner, you can clear your check engine lights, which is really what people are mostly going to be getting these for. Now the thing with this is you can download different apps. Some apps work with the scanner, some don't. Some connect via Bluetooth, some connect via Wi-Fi. Alright guys, so that's how easy it is to use this Audew OBD2 scanner. It's something very, very handy to have in the glove box if you have a few cars or if you're a do-it-yourselfer or for any of the other reasons I stated. Again, you can grab one of these for like 11 or 12 bucks. Extremely cheap peace of mind if you use the link down in the description below. Again, you can use the code DriveHub to save 20% off. Again, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy motoring.